and that shows
Muikarĩri wa kanjũ ya Mangabana ũrĩa nowe gavana wa Kirinyaga Anne Waigũrũ atongoretie makĩria ya magavana atandatũ gũtetia mbunge ya seneti igũrũ rĩa kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kĩragaĩrwo thirikari cia kauntĩ mwaka-inĩ wa bajeti ya thirikari wa 2024 na 2025. Magavana mathing'ĩrĩirie thirikari nene no mũhaka imagaĩre ciringi bilioni 450 mũgarũ na ũrĩa ministry ya kĩgĩna ĩbangĩte kũgaĩra thirikari cia matũra ciringi bilioni 391,
which the council deems as disproportionate and inequitable, and the council therefore proposes an allocation of 450 billion for the financial year 2024-2025.
When we ask for this money, I've heard people saying, including leaders, that where do you want this money to come from? There is no extra money. Counties are not asking for extra money. We're asking for the money that is already there but misallocated.
When my Kenya Kwanza coalition, which I belong to, even Dr. Kalwale belongs to, was campaigning, they promised Kenyans that the minimum they'll give the devolved functions of the shareable revenue is 35%. So Senate, don't be a party to tainting my Kenya Kwanza coalition. Please help them realize that they need to honor their promise of 35%.
Kanjũ ya magavana yugĩte wĩra ũrĩa ũrĩ mbere ya kaunti nĩ mũingĩ mũno na kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kaunti iragaĩrwo gĩtingĩigana. Amwe ya magavana maugĩte nĩ maremetwo nĩ kũrĩha mĩcara ya aruti wĩra na kũmwe mĩbango ya kaunti ĩkarũgama nĩ ũndũ wa wagi wa kĩgĩna gĩa kũigana gũtwarithia na mbere mĩbango ya ũkũria wa kaunti.
So the justification of the council have given, one is the emerging issues occasioned by additional expenditure to counties that I have mentioned, the mess, the new medical equipment, the national programs such as KIPES and CHPs, the housing levy, the social health insurance fund, the annual salary increments, and the transferred library museum function.
Magavana nĩ macakaĩte mũtindo wa thirikari nene kũnyihia kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kaunti iragaĩrwo o mwaka makiuga mũtindo ũyũ wetĩkĩrio gũthiĩ na mbere kaunti itigĩtie hanyeni na marigũ iharagane.
We are saying is that the Senate needs to safeguard devolution and be the protector of devolution, because if you don't do that, we will find ourselves in very serious trouble.
As we sit here, Chair, counties have not been able to hire ECD teachers across the board, which is a county function. So as we come before you, we want to plead that at this point, where the BPS is being, you have the opportunity, despite also the National Assembly having their own, at this point, we pray that we protect devolution by allocating requisite funds that are constitutional.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo magavana morĩtie mbunge ya seneti gwĩka mĩtũkĩ na kũgitĩra thirikari cia matũra makĩmoria matigĩrĩre thirikari cia kaunti nĩ ciamũkĩra kĩgĩna gĩa gĩcunjĩ gĩa 15 harĩ 100 kĩa bajeti yothe ya kĩbũrũri.
Continue. When Kenyans woke up one morning and decided that they wanted devolution, they were saying they were sick and tired of a centralized system, and they wanted to be able to walk to Kirinyaga, find Governor Waigũrũ and tell her the hospitals are not working. Today, you cannot walk to the State House and go and tell the president that the hospitals are not working.
Now, the national government seems to be in a hurry to perform county functions. I don't understand why. I thought that had enough in their arms, in their hands to do.
Hamwe na ũguo magavana marenda mbunge ya kĩbũrũri na mbunge ya seneti gathũrimaga mendekithia maũgania wa bajeti na thutha ũcio kwandĩka riboti ĩmwe ya hamwe nĩguo kũrigĩrĩria mũhinyanĩrĩrio wa thirikari nene na thirikari cia kaunti. Ngiribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.
Mambo hapa ni asante.